Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until you see your phone turn off. Once it turns back on and you see the Apple logo, you can then release your finger. Probably going to be the easiest and the quickest 30 seconds of you guys' life. You're not going to waste your time like every other iPhone video. Let's just get straight to the point. You can let go. Most of the iPhone videos aren't really going to help you out, but mine definitely helps you guys out. And there you guys go. Your phone has been resetted.